Hi folks, next day now, everything's dry and is looking ready to be stained, so I think we're going to crack on and get that done. Right then, that's the first coat all finished up, looking pretty good. Once that's gone off, I'll give it a second coat and then we can see about getting it loaded up full of wood. Looking forward to that. Right then, here we are, the finished product. We've had 2 coats of stain on it now. It's looking pretty good. It's all been drying out for the last couple of days, so I think it's pretty much ready to go. We've had a few thunderstorms as well, and it's held up quite well to the rain, which is good. So all that's left to do really now is get to organising all this wood over here, get it organised into sizes and stuff, and get it into our racks. So that's what we're going to do now. Right there we go. All the wood organised. What a relief. So let's have a look, see what we've got going on. Right, so this pile here on the floor is basically stuff that's a bit too punky, or I can't really use it in any project, so that's the kindling pile. That all needs breaking down and chopping up, and that'll be kindling for the wood burner. And now here you can see everything stacked up. Have a wander around the back. Got all our sort of shorter plywood bits there. Got a few other bits of plywood kicking around I need to go and have a look at. Bring them over. All the big chunky stuff is filling up the rack there. And all the pallets, different size pallets and offcuts and whatnot, they all go in the boxes like so. All very similar size, sort of grouped together so I can see what's what and get easy access. Walk around the back. And again, same deal there, look. Not bad really. Right, so the final test is, dare we to remove the brake? It's one side. I'm on a hill, so risky. Oof, that's on pressure there. That's 2. Oh, and it's off. Whoa. Whoa, man, that's tough. So it definitely moves a bit more than I want it to be honest. Put the brakes back on. Yeah, so if it wasn't for the hill, it'd be quite straightforward to move around. The brakes work well, keeping it where it is. Obviously, we can sort of get it in position. I'm not going to move it around a lot. It's just nice to be able to move it when I have to. So we'll probably move it over to the corner there and get it in position. Pretty much ready to be used. The last few bits and bobs here, I need to break these down and get them stored. There's still a bit of pallet there, an old table and whatnot. But for now, they can stay where they are. So yeah, all in all, a success. I'm really chuffed with that. It's definitely going to keep my wood nice and organised. It's freed up my path as well, so I can finally, after almost 3 years, would you believe it, I can finally get back up my path again now and throw out all that rubbish that was hidden away. So all in all, a pretty successful project. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.